So for this week's project, I chose to make a TOTP client, similar to like Google Authenticator. It works in the same way. So for demonstration purposes, I choose GitHub to set up an Authenticator app. So first, I go to Authenticator app and edit. Now I get a QR code. Normally I would take my phone and scan this QR code, but here I'm on the computer, so I have to do it with a virtual camera. So if you're on the phone or on the desktop, you can press the plus icon and then select the camera. This is for the computer because I have multiple cameras. I choose the virtual camera, select it. Now it sees the QR code. Perfect. It gets the name of the QR code. I press on add. Then here's my 2FA. I can now copy and paste. And now it's valid. If for some reason the camera don't work, I can set it up manually. Then I can go back, edit it, create a new app. Then I have here the setup key. This is just a secret. I can copy this, paste it in, and give it a name. And save it. Now, of course, I have a new number. The old one doesn't work anymore. I can choose a new one, paste it in, new one works. I can also rename it by just clicking in the label and say GitHub like this. I can also delete them.